All right, this is my experience with CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen SPF 30. Right here it says it moisturizes throughout the day and helps restore the protective barrier on your skin. All right, with 3 essential ceramides, all right, in here. Again, it's oil-free, as they claim. And on the back, it talks about the ingredients that they have in here. There's sunblock in there as well as moisturizers. It helps prevent sunburn. Right here it says, apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Reapply at least every 2 hours. Children under 6 months, ask a doctor. All right, so this right here is something that I typically use when I'm going out into the sun on just like a normal day. After I wash my face, I put this on. It's supposed to moisturize your face, which it does, and then protect you from some of the harmful UV rays that are emitted by the sun. Now, my experience with this, I'm going to go ahead and squirt a little bit out and so you can see the texture of this. All right. It's very silky. It comes on your face real silky. All right. And it's not oily at all. All right. So this is a really good lotion that I would recommend for using for an AM or going out in the morning or the daytime, and you need some protection for your face with SPF 30. Let me know if you have any questions.